Hey guys, this is Steve from Trim That Weed, and welcome to our video of the Traeger versus Green Mountain. Watch until the end to know our verdict on which pellet grill is the best. So the main difference between Traeger and Green Mountain is the cooking area. Traeger Tailgater has a cooking area of 300 square inches. Conversely, the Green Mountain Grill Trek has a total cooking area of 219 square inches. The Traeger Tailgater's bigger cooking area allows you to cook larger pieces of food and have an edge over the Green Mountain Grill Trek. Temperature range. Traeger Tailgater has a temperature range of 185 degrees Fahrenheit to 450 degrees Fahrenheit. Conversely, the Green Mountain Trek has a temperature range of 150 to 550 degrees. Green Mountain Trek's bigger temperature range offers better temperature options for different food types. Affordability. Traeger Tailgater is offered at significantly higher prices, while the Green Mountain Trek is sold at lower prices. Green Mountain Grill Trek is much more affordable if you're on a budget. Portability. Traeger Tailgater has a compact design, weighs 62 pounds, and has small wheels at the back that you can use to push on flat surfaces. Conversely, the Green Mountain Grill Trek has a compact design, weighs 63 pounds, but lacks wheels. Therefore, Traeger Tailgater is more portable due to the wheels and its slightly lower weight. Comparison table. The table shows that the Traeger Tailgater cooking area is 300 square inches, which is significantly bigger. It weighs 62 pounds, thus lighter and more portable. The two wheels at the back also increase portability. Conversely, the Green Mountain Grill Trek has a wider temperature range, and thus accommodating a greater variety of foods. Similarities. Traeger Tailgater and Green Mountain Grill Trek have a compact design that allows them to fit nicely in the trunk of most cars, and thus are great options for camping. They're also readily available in most online stores like Amazon and Walmart. Verdict. So, which is better? Traeger Tailgater is better because of its bigger cooking area, lightweight, and small wheels that enhance portability. The Green Mountain Trek has a bigger temperature range and thus can cook faster if needed. If you like this video, please hit the thumbs up button and subscribe to our channel. Also, let us know which other comparisons you'd like to see next from us.